Hey, Fred here with an explainer on our Lil Bag invention of 2018, sizes LB2 and LB5, and how it became the sustainable choice instead of these poly mailers. As with any of our products with the reference code 2, there's intelligence behind that to ensure that it will hold A4 documentation, since most fashion retailers do still send an A4 invoice and A4 paperwork with the order. It's also been designed to go through Royal Mail large letter. Deutsche Post also have the same large letter principle. For underwear and athleisure, first we recommend that you sort of pillow the Lil Bag first to create that mouth for insertion, and then as simple as, you know, slide it in. You use gravity to help you, just drop it in, it slips straight in, and then when it's coming to seal it, we recommend with all of our peel and seal products, because it's a hot melt pressure sensitive glue, means that basically apply a decent amount of pressure when sealing it. And we always recommend the kneading of bread action using the base of my palm to do just that. That's all it takes. Voila, done. And that should go through large letter. In terms of the LB5, the intelligence behind this one is, like any product with the reference 5 in it, that it actually goes through small parcel. The LB5 is suitable for tops, shirts, trousers, bottoms, denim jeans, those kind of things. If you are actually using or have been using these, Royal Mail and Deutsche Post have a stipulation, a small print, that you have to be able to hold one end of it and it go through unaided through that slot. Now, I can't do that, and it's the reason why nothing in a poly mailer goes through large letter. Now, just to explain, almost zero of these ever manufactured have been recycled. The only way of Recycling Authority being able to recycle these is if they separate them into all their different colours, substrates, everything. The only way of really recycling films and plastics, I mean, the supermarket's a good example. They can recycle the carrier bags because they ask for you to bring them back to store, where it's only that supermarket's specific type of plastic and colour that's always being recycled. But you put it into a mishmash of your recycling bins at home, you know, this amongst something that's yellow, amongst something that's pink and green and blue, they've got no chance of recycling it. These are just the bane of the earth. We need to start making a difference, and yeah, I hope that this has inspired you just to think differently, make you aware of the problem we've got with recycling these. But in the meantime, yeah, hope you enjoy the video, like and subscribe, now happy!